this is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well, inshallah. In first review, I did this eye makeup look using this Makeup Revolution's Animal palette. This is their Fierce palette. They launched 3 palettes in this 3 years back. One was Fierce, the other was Integrity, the other one was Courage. So there were three, and Courage was more of leopard print, Integrity was zebra print, and this one Fierce is tiger print. The good thing about the packaging is that the envelope that you get, the cover that you get, the cardboard packaging is the same as the palette cover, so you don't need to keep that. So this is from their animal line range, and the zebra one, if I remember, is more on the colorful side of things, like mostly blues, and the Courage one, which is the leopard print one, I think has more pink hues and neutral undertones, but this one has more orangey fierce undertones, which I think suits a lot of Indian skin tones. And this would be such a perfect palette for festive makeup, or if you're getting married, you need something in your trousseau, then this is a very good palette, because you get amazing warm tone eyeshadow looks, which as you can see looks bombdiggity.com. So this is the one. This is not my palette, this is my mom's palette, and I thought I will review it because the color story enticed me really, so that is why I am doing it here. And please forgive me for the lighting. I tried my best to make sure that the lighting is really perfect. Some things that you should know about the palette is that it retails for 1750 rupees, but on Hawk Makeup, that is HOK Makeup, you will get this palette at 1400 rupees, and on Nykaa you are getting this palette at 875 rupees, which is an amazing discount. You're literally getting 40% off on Nykaa. And if you want to buy both the palettes, like there's a combo running as well, and if you want to buy that, that is also available on Myntra, and I think it's also available on HOK Makeup, and you will get it at 1750 or 1450 rupees depending on what time you're picking. But right now there are a lot of deals happening. I've done a detailed swatches of this, but let me just show you one swatch. This is the color, and look at the pigmentation. So there are some matte shades which have light sheen to it, but they are not glittery, but there are proper glittery shades. And by the way, Makeup Revolution is vegan and cruelty free, so if in case you are somebody who is into that kind of things, this is Makeup Revolution's Wild Animal Fierce eyeshadow palette. The packaging is plastic. You get a very big mirror with it. You're getting 18 shades in it, which have matte and shimmer, both of them, and you are getting warm golden nudes and some blazing oranges, crimson shades, and brown hues. You can create the perfect sultry eye with them, and that is exactly what we're trying to create. Now let's start with the basics, that is skin prep. I use rose water as my toner, then I went ahead with Pilgrim's moisturizer. Now let's create eyeshadow look. I wanted to use the NYX primer for it, so this is what I'm showing you guys. Now first I am taking this orange and pink shade, both are a little neon on the sides, and I'm using a flat brush to create a kind of an outline as to where I want the shades to look like. So that is what I am trying to do it with a flat brush, and I will do it on both eyes. Then I'm taking the absolutist ridiculous biggest fluffy brush to blend everything. Then I went in with this orangey shade, which looked like a transition shade, so I'm using that to blend any harsh edges that might be there. And I'm going to blend that really well so that everything looks perfectly diffused. While we are doing blend, I wanted to tell you that this is a very high premium quality eyeshadow palette, and very good for both beginners and experts as well. Now I am going in and using this beautiful golden shade which has my heart all over it, and I'm going to smear it on my eyelids just like how it smeared my heart. And I am telling you, this makeup look is so simple, anybody can create it. So very easy blendable formula, so anybody can use it. Then I am going to use the dark brown and this rusty orange in the outer corner, right from where the glitter particle ends to the outer corner, so that it looks diffused. So that's what I'm trying to do, to give it a little bit of smoky sultriness to the entire look. And I'm doing that on the other eye as well. Then I am blending out any harshness if there may be, and then I'm using the same orange and neon pink shade. So जहाँ जहाँ पे भी eyeshadow like miss हो गया है या फिर disappear हो गया है, वहाँ पे मैं वापस से वो शेड को वापस ला रही हूँ, और इसके बाद मैं ये ऑरेंज शेड लेके जहाँ पे भी गोल्डन एंड हुआ है वहाँ और ब्राउन शेड के बीच में उसको डिफ्यूज़ कर रही हूँ. And I have done my full face of makeup. I felt it looked bombdikitty.com. Now I am doing it on the lower lash line. I felt with a flat, like fluffy brush, it was not coming perfect. So I took a flat brush to kind of give it a proper eyeliner kind of a situation. And this is how I look. Don't I look beautiful? I love it. I'm sure you will love it too. So let me now go ahead and show you the swatches on the back of my hand, and you can see the colors and decide if you really need to pick this up. Okay, so you've guys seen the swatches and you decide for yourself. They're super pigmented. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. And till then, take care, stay safe.